mobility of persons with disabilities has come under government's radar, and that a lot is now being done to equip them with the tools they need to grow personally, to be valuable citizens of Guyana, the citizens that we know they are already, and also to be able to participate in their community's development.
Minister of Public Telecommunications Catherine Hughes. She noted that government recognizes that technology is a game changer. As such, a donation of 59 tablets and one robotics kit was donated to the Guyana Council of Organizations for Persons with Disabilities on Friday in the ministry's boardroom. The organization will utilize the tablets to commence computer literacy training. Program coordinator of the council, Ganesh Singh, noted that the organization has embarked on a number of ICT projects to empower persons living with disabilities.
These tablets would be used for a number of purposes. One, we are in the process of establishing STEM clubs at 4 special schools. That's the pilot. It will be at the St. Barnabas Special School, the David Rose Special Needs School, Diamond Special Needs School, and the Resource Unit for the Blind in Georgetown. That will be a partnership with the Ministry of Telecommunications and STEM Guyana because they will provide the trainers. Additionally, tablets will also be used for the CXC program that falls under the Guyana Society for the Blind, and also for the establishment of Disability Resource Unit.
The coalition government came in for high praises for the measures they have put in place for persons living with disabilities. Concessions were included in the 2019 budget for the importation of vehicles and smart devices for persons living with disabilities. For InfoHub, Anara Khan.